Yeah, Justin wanted me to do this shit today in the rain. I said no, but then he told me that it was for the channel. So then I had to come out here and I had to do it for the channel. Fuck it, boys.
I am just an icon living. Anybody that hate, I will strip them. Get it? If you didn't, well, I guess you gotta listen more. Listen, boy, Philly is a minotaur. Beast mode when I'm zeroed in, nigga. Truth is, I ain't feeling you, niggas. No wolf tickets, I swear pump fear in these niggas. Lil internet niggas, King Philly is back in the stone. And I'll be damned if a dumb motherfucker try attacking my home. I much rather have a barrel to.
Gonna be putting this motherfucker on. It's pretty fucking big, to be honest. I was expecting something half the size. It's pretty cool. We're gonna put that shit on. Probably today. It's raining, but whatever. Rain ain't gonna hurt. Let's get it, motherfuckers.
So me and the mad scientist had to rip apart the throttle body and put in this bad boy. Bet.
She's gonna rip, she's gonna rip.
So it's complete, it's on there now. Boom. That's how we get this thing to extend some more, is this bracket right here. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yo, we did it. We did it. Bucket shit.
All them years of doing your makeup finally paid off. Look at the precision. Look at the precision. My, oh my. This is coat number 1. Wow. Baby girl. Picasso. The karaoke queen and Picasso. Yeah.
Wow.
Let's get it.
Okay.
Alright, first coat is down. Let it dry a little bit. And then we're gonna put on another one. Looking decent. Very abstract. Very, very, very abstract. Pops. Grab those bags out the way.
Just don't want to get it like dirty, you know what I'm saying?
Do what you gotta do, babe. We'll wipe it down.
Just gotta tuck this. Oh shit.
Tuck what?
The timing cover. Just tuck it in. Push it. Yeah. Just like that. I think that's how it's supposed to go. I think. Right? Yep. You can see my breath. It ain't wild. You can see my fucking breath.
That's how cold it is out here. Look how clean that looks, though. How the fuck did that happen? You just see that shit?
What?
A bunch of fucking water just started streaming down from this fucking lip up here. Can't see. Done.
Ooh, buddy.
I am just an icon living. Anybody that hate, I will spit them. Get it? If you didn't, well, I guess you